All right, I've seen people that their outlets aren't working in their truck. So before you take it to the dealership, check your Pro Power settings. You could have a bad inverter and all the other stuff that could go wrong with it, but most likely it's just turned off in your Pro Power settings. So if you have, you can get to your Pro Power a couple ways. You can go to features and then Pro Power Onboard. Some trucks have this button here that's also like a shortcut to turn on and off your outlets. So if I hit that button, see it says low power mode on, but now I have power to this outlet here where I didn't before. So if you don't have that button, you can go in here. As you can see, I've got power. This is power on. If this is powered off, your outlets aren't going to work. So watch, I'm going to turn it off. Boom. My outlet shut off. So if your outlets aren't working, and this goes for all the outlets in the truck, if your outlets aren't working, come in here, turn that on, and most likely that's your problem. Hope this helps you. See ya.